As our chicken breast is over here cooking, we're going to show you how to handle the raw chicken. We're now using a yellow board, and they are just for raw product. When this comes out and we need to slice it up, we're going to use a utility white board for that. So once again, we have our chef knife. Remember that when we cut from the tip to the heel, it's going to work for us. We're just going to slice it down about a 1/2-inch slices using my middle finger here to guide my knife. And see, it just cuts really nice. You don't have to come back to it again. And that's ready to go for chicken fajitas. We got another one here we're going to do real quick. And if you want to get rid of the fat, not a problem. I think fat kind of adds to the dish. Ooh, hear that sizzling on to the left of me. And this is all we do for chicken fajitas. Now, I did make them a little larger. We're not worried about cost control here. We are worried about, presentation. So there's our chicken's ready to go. So I'm going to place this back onto the same plate that I took it from. And then this knife and this cutting board has to be cleaned before I move on.